What happens when you don't understand English?
Bro. Man, that poor dude. You got 5 guys yelling at you. First of all, just anyone yelling at you, you know, it's gonna, you know, unless you're trained to deal with people yelling at you, it could be a little bit discombobulating, you know. Now throw in a couple of people, or you know, more than a couple, with a few officers with guns yelling at you. Yeah, that's I mean, whether you speak English or not, that can be confusing.
I spy my little eye. Something beginning with N.
I knew. How did I know?
Let's figure out what my word is, guys.
Nature.
Wrong. You want a clue?
Nice clothing.
It's one word.
Dude's going out of his way. I mean,
Nice.
you can see where his mind's at. KSI is messing with him.
Nikes.
Wrong. You want another clue?
Yeah, sure.
You want another clue?
Stop.
Do you give up?
Yes.
It was neck.
Which political party founded the KKK?
Democrats, we already know.
The Republican Party, of course.
No.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Democrat Party.
Republicans, freedom pledge, too.
You know which party abolished slavery?
No.
Which party? Yeah, that was the Democrat Party.
It was actually the Republicans.
That guy might as well just catch on and just start saying the opposite of what he thinks it is, because obviously he's been misinformed. Brave man saved.
Enemy spotted.
Brave man saved. Biden got
Surprise,
Can absolutely travel to the future, and I don't just mean with each age. If you want to see what things are like 1 billion years from now on planet Earth, Einstein laid out a blueprint. He showed us how to do that.
Really?
You build a ship that goes near the speed of light. We can't do that yet today. That's a technical detail. But if you build a ship that could go near the speed of light, you travel out for 6 months.
Small
you turn
detail.
Around, you come back. You've aged 1 year, 6 months, 6 months. But because of your incredible speed, time slows down for you relative to time for everybody else on planet Earth. So when you get out of your ship, you'll be 1 year older, but people here will be 10,000, a million, or 1 billion years older, depending on how close to the speed of light you went.
Wow.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Every little kid's dream right there, boy. I'll tell you.
If I told you this was only gonna hurt, if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn,
Better.
would you walk in?
Feeding the
Would you
children.
let